Okay, so this might seem a bit odd, but it's something that I think needs to be reviewed, mainly because of what I've observed on Uber Eats. That being, rice is one of the most popular ordered foods for some restaurants. Why is this the case? One eats rice to save money. Therefore, why is it so popular as an ordered food? It doesn't really save money there. Cooking on a stovetop can be annoying, sure, and the results can vary greatly. The solution: just get a rice cooker. They go for about $30, and this one specifically was $42, and currently it's $34 on Amazon. But either a regular one of these rice cookers will get perfect rice every time. And like I do later on in the video, I also toss some nuggets to steam, and a full meal is ready, and I can just leave it running in the background. can set it and forget it, and it'll be perfect every time. All in-house, no more having to either check up on rice on a stovetop, only to get barely edible rice sometimes, or pretty good another time. Or, as I've observed in Uber Eats, overpay for a staple that many people eat for $1 a day. Not to mention, I can cook other stuff on it. This is easily a good investment, as one of the reasons I dread eating rice at home was because of its inconsistency and careful monitoring it required. With this, you can have professional quality rice without the price each time, and you just had to set it once. Here, just wash the rice, then add the water, press white rice, as I was making white rice at the moment, and just leave it. According to the manual, it took I think about 30 to 40 minutes for the amount I was making. And it shifts to keep warm automatically, so I can do anything else. Work, cook more complicated things on the side without the worry about how the rice is gonna come out. It'll be ready when you are ready. So I also decided to get some things done while it made the rice. As you'll see, I actually decided to get the preparations for the rest of the day and or week ready. I brewed my coffee, making sure everything was clean, grinding the beans, measuring out the grinds according to the Specialty Coffee Association of America's golden ratio. Setting up the cold brew for tea for the rest of the week, and loosely planning what to eat for the rest of the week, and writing the review for the rice cooker. All within the time it took for the rice to be ready, and by extension the meal, as I tossed the nuggets to steam there too. Once it was done, checked, and the rice was perfect. And I got so much more done. This really aids in being productive, as the time it takes for the rice to be ready was used for preparations. Once it was done, I could relax and enjoy a pretty well and easily made lunch, all keeping the cost really low since it's rice. This helps keep future spending at a low, since now I'll no longer be dreading rice but looking forward to it and saving money. Not to mention in terms of buying made rice, but also the rest of eating out. I can do a fusion where I'll make the rice in the rice cooker and only buy the more complicated foods out. If I want to eat out in the future, I'll be replacing it with brown rice, hopefully, as it's better. And trying out the other grains I can make in it, as I know that they'll be made to their best or better than I could do on the stove at this current time. With all this in mind, I think this has become a necessity, given all the options that can be done with it, and I look forward to the many years of good and easily made foods that this will bring. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.